You see a post. Here's how I made an app with one single prompt. Just paste it into your AI agent. So you copy it, paste it in, and your agent starts working, but what comes out doesn't really look like an app. Yeah, not quite right. Sharing knowledge is just hard. So okay, you decide to build your own thing from scratch. Say, a market research app. You hop into ChatGPT, go back and forth, have a long conversation, and eventually land on a solid plan. Then you switch tools to actually build it. You paste everything into Claude Code, and it starts asking you the exact same questions you already answered. Context is lost. Long discussions just don't carry over. And say you come back to it a week later, you're pasting context again, answering the same things all over. It's just not efficient. Introducing Agent Package. It turns your AI work into reusable packs. You can browse and find pretty much anything you're trying to work on. It's a community platform where people publish and share workflows, like this market research one. Each pack has an alias, so you can call it anytime. It's a full workflow, fully customizable to you. Agent Package is built to be simple. You paste the package into your AI agent, tweak it for whatever you're working on, and it handles everything. Good results, no context loss, no rereading, no long back and forth. The workflow is packed and ready to come back to again anytime. Everything is designed to be efficient and personal to you. Here's what a workflow page looks like. You can edit it. There's a visual flow diagram, detailed tasks, assignments, team management. Once you had your workflow, either keep them private or share with your team, your workspace, or even publish them for everyone. Can't wait to see what you build.